Hi everyone, I'm Camilla Kearney and I've got three pieces of advice to share for anyone who wants to listen. The first one would be to start saving early, main one being buy a house as soon as you can, because rent is expensive and it really adds up over time. I mean, the average rent would be about $800 a month over here, which is about $10,000 every year, and that amounts to about $50,000 every 5 years. And that money all goes down the toilet if you're spending on rent, whereas you get to keep it, essentially, if it's going towards your own house. Plus, homes often appreciate in value, so you'll get more for your money later on as well. The second one would be to spend your money on experiences rather than objects when you have a little bit of spare stuff to treat yourself with. So this could be a trip or a vacation, maybe a concert, or spending your time doing lessons, learning something you enjoy, like maybe horse riding or some kind of sport. And the last one would be to try not to stress over things that you have no control over. So a little bit of stress can be helpful. For example, if you're preparing to take an important exam, it'll help you focus that bit more. But otherwise, if you're just waiting for the results or something like that, there's no point in stressing over it because it's done. You may as well put that effort towards something else or just think about something that can relax you. Okay, well, that's it from me. Look forward to hearing all your advice.